Dear students, today we are going to solve the boundary value problem. This is d4y by dx4 equals to 1 with the boundary conditions y of 0 equal to y dash of 0 equal to y of 1 equal to y dash of 1 equal to 0. It means here x belongs to closed interval 0, 1. It means when x equal to 0, therefore y equal to 0. And when x equal to 0, dy by dx is also 0. Or when x equal to 1, y is 0. Or when x equal to 1, so dy by dx is also 0. These are the given boundary conditions at the point 0 and 1. Therefore, the given boundary value problem is a 2-point boundary value problem. With h equal to 0.25 using second order difference method. So we have to solve this boundary value problem by the second order finite difference method. So hence the difference scheme for the given boundary value problem is given by solution. The difference scheme, the second order difference scheme, the second order difference scheme for the given boundary value problem is given by this is y j minus 2 minus 4 y j minus 1 plus 6 y j minus 4 y this is minus 4 y j plus 1 plus this is y j plus 2 equals to this is h to the power 4 f of j, or here j equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the second order finite difference scheme for the given differential equation yj minus 2 minus 4yj minus 1 plus 6yj minus 4yj plus 1 plus yj plus 2 equal to h to the power 4 f of j. Here we have we can write here we have x0 is 0, or this is x1 equals to 0.25, x2 equals to 0.75, this is x2 equals to 0.5, or this is x3 equals to 0.75, or x4 equals to 1. The corresponding boundary equations are this is y0 equals to 0, and this is y1, this is y2, and this is y3 or y4 is also 0. It means we divide the interval 0, 1 into 4 equal subintervals with step size h equal to 1.4. Then now we have the here f fj equals to 1, j equals to 1, 2, 3, and the boundary conditions are x0 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0.25, x2 equals to 0.50, x3 equals to 0.75, and x4 equals to 1. The corresponding boundary conditions are here y0 equals to 0, and this is y1 equals to y of minus 1, and this is y0, y1, y2, and this is y3 equals to, this is y5, and y4 equals to 0. So therefore here for y0 is 0, y4 is 0, and y1 equal to y of minus 1, and y3 equal to y of 5. Suppose this is equation number 1. Then hence for j equal to 1, 2, 3, then from the equation first we have, this is hence for j equal to 1, 2, 3, then from the equation first we have, for j equal to 1, equation first becomes y of this is for j equal to 1, equation first becomes y of minus 1 minus 4 of y0 plus 6 of y1 minus 4 of y2 plus this is y3 equals to, here h equal to 1 by 4, fj equal to 1, so therefore it is 1 upon q power 4. This equations reduces to y of minus 1 equals to y of 1, so therefore this is y of 1 minus, here y0 is 0, therefore this term becomes 0, plus this is 6 of y1 minus 4 of y2 plus y3 equals to 1 by 4 q power 4, and this equation becomes, this is 7 y1 minus 4 of y2 plus this is y3 equal to 1 by 4 q power 4. Suppose this equation is number 2. Now for j equal to 2 we have, for j equal to 2 the equation first becomes, this is for j equal to 2, so this is y0 minus 4 of y1 plus 6 of y2 minus 4 of y3 plus this is y of 3 equals to 1 upon 4 q power 4. This is y0 minus 4 of y1 plus 6 of y2 minus 4 of y3 plus y. This is for j equal to 2. So this is y4. This is y4 minus 4 of y3 plus y4 equal to 1 upon 4 q power 4. Here y0 is 0. This is minus 4 y1 plus 6 y2 minus y1 plus 6y2. Here this is y3 minus 4y3, or here y4 is 0, so therefore this equals to 1 upon 4 की power 4. Suppose it is a 3. Now for j equals to for j equals to 3, from the equation first we have for j equal to 3, so this is y1 minus this is 4 of y2 plus 6 of y3 minus 4 of y4 plus this is y5 equals to 1 upon 4 की power 4. Here y3 equals to y5, therefore we can write y1 minus this is 4 of y2, y3 is y5 plus this is 7 of y3, because y3 equals to y5, and here it is given that y4 is 0, so therefore y4 equal to 0, and this equals to this is 1 upon 4 की power 4. So finally we get 3 equations. Suppose it is fourth. Now on solving the equations 2, 3rd and 4th, we have on solving the above equations 2, 3 and 4, then we obtain y1 equals to this is y of the value of y at x equal to 0.25, which is 5 by 8, 1 by 4 की power 4, and this value equals to 0.002441, and y of 2 equals to this is y of 0.50 equals to this equals to 1 upon 4 की power 4. This value becomes 0.003906, and this is y3 equals to the value of x equal to 0.75. This equals to 5 by 8, 1 by 4 की power 4. This value equals to 0.002441. Therefore, we have calculate the value of y1, y2 and y3 at the corresponding values of x 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75. This is the required values of the y at the corresponding values of x. This is the required solution of the given boundary value problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.